the reason why Musamseleku doesn't respect Makumalo's parents, because Makumalo's father was working for Musamseleku. Mangwabe last time was complaining about that issue, why Makumalo's father was being employed on Musamseleku's company, because Makumalo's father was Musamseleku's father-in-law. How we respect him. And now Musamseleku didn't apologize to Makumalo's father about what he said to Makumalo. Musamseleku always harassing Makumalo on television because Makumalo's father was working for him, or maybe they show him their desperation that they are depending for Musamseleku. When it comes to Mayeni's parents, Musamseleku respect Mayeni's parents, Mangwabe's parents, and Macele's parents. But when it comes to Makumalo, he does not care. Musamseleku said he want to apologize to Mangwabe's mother about what happened to Makwela. But when it comes to Makumalo, Musamseleku sent people that they have to talk. He doesn't say he want to apologize about what he said on television. Musamseleku sent people to Makumalo's parents to talk to Makumalo. Imagine they have to talk to Makumalo to come on his senses about what he said on television. And Makumalo's father was very upset. That's why Makumalo told her father not to work for Musamseleku again because of their reputation. And now their reputation is being ruined because of they show their desperation that he can work for his son-in-law. I think that Mangwabe was right, that Makumalo's father can't work for his son-in-law. It looks like maybe you are very desperate and your child can be abused anytime and you don't have a voice to talk about it. Musamseleku say why they can control Makumalo, that Makumalo's father to talk to Makumalo the way Makumalo she is acting, because Makumalo's father and Makumalo's mother, they are depending on Makumalo. Makumalo is the breadwinner. Imagine Musamseleku says it on television that Makumalo was the one who is feeding them. When she met Musamseleku at the first time on 2008, maybe her parents are coming from the poor. Makumalo, she was coming from the poor family. They don't have anything. That's why Musamseleku took advantage. But when it comes to Mayeni, Musamseleku begs Mayeni because Mayeni doesn't beg Musamseleku. Anytime she can go back to her parents' house and her parents can accept her and they don't beg anything to Musamseleku. We didn't see Mayeni's parents at Musamseleku's birthday. But Makumalo's parents are always available to support Musamseleku. Sometimes you can say maybe it was son-in-law because Makumalo's father take Musamseleku as his son. But it's not like that to Musamseleku. Musamseleku saw them like they are desperate. What I saw, he saw them like they are desperate because the Musamseleku respect Mayeni's family because they don't show him their desperation. Even Mayeni at the first time, she was not being desperate to stay with the Musamseleku like Makumalo. Makumalo stayed with the Musamseleku for a long time. Musamseleku didn't marry Makumalo and he was using her. So that's why he can do whatever he want to do on television. When it comes to Mangwabe, Musamseleku always respect Mangwabe, talk nice to Mangwabe because he is aware of her mother, that her mother can get upset. But when it comes to Makumalo, he doesn't care that Makumalo's parents, they are go out, they'll feel when he is always said Makumalo, she failed. And Musamseleku says on television, he is continuing fighting with Makumalo. You understand him? But when it comes to Mayen, he can't say those words on television. He knows that. So sometimes, guys, it's a lesson to Makumalo. Because Mangwabe last time, we can say Mangwabe, she was jealous because Makumalo's father was working for Musamseleku. But Mangwabe was right that how we can talk to Makumalo's father when Makumalo's father is working for her husband. How Mangwabe respect Makumalo's father or to talk to him because she's supposed to talk to Makumalo's father like an employer, like other employers, and it's her father-in-law. Understand? It doesn't make any sense.